Auslit Discovery is a visual search interface that allows you to look for Australian literature as if you were browsing through a library or bookstore. You can explore for books based on title, author, keyword, location, topic or relationship, and then if one strikes your fancy, follow the provided links to discover more detailed information about your book of interest. Discovery links to over 800,000 records of Australian literature sourced from Auslit's book database, supplemented with information from Goodreads and Amazon. If you like reading books and hadn't really heard much about Australian literature, or even if you're a big fan, Discovery is a great place to start your journey. If the user was interested in James, for example, they could do an initial search off the homepage for James. The initial search brings up a list of books from the database with book covers and basic information. To see more about a book, the user can click on it and see more information in the sidebar. For example, let's have a look at the information for this book by John Hooker about Captain James Kirk. As Discovery sources its information from Auslit, if the user would like to go see more information about a book on the main Auslit website, they can do so using the link in the sidebar. The user can also see other search results for authors, topics, locations, and a special feature which shows the relationships between the various books that are brought back in the search. Now let's have a look at authors. The authors section shows information about all the authors that are brought back by the search. Additionally, information exists in the sidebar for each of these authors. The next section the user might want to investigate is Hot Topics. This section shows all the various topics that were brought back by the search. So for example, in the search for James, we got results back on scientists, writers. The user can also now browse to one of these topics. So for example, if they click on scientists, they'll be brought to the search results for scientists. Now, say for example, the user wanted to see the relationships between a number of the books that are brought back in the search. Here we can see that a number of the books are linked. These books can be linked by either genre, topic, title, or author. The user can also see the locations that were brought back in the search. As we can see, the search for scientists has brought back quite a few different locations. The user can then use any of these locations to do another search for that location. For example, let's look at Gold Coast. Auslit Discovery. It's like taking a walk through a virtual library.